The 2007 Saab 9-3. The Saab 9-3 has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that is powerful and smooth. Expect 23 miles per gallon overall on the sedan using regular fuel and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, power windows, trip computer, child safety locks, cargo area light. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.